back to another video. So today we have some more visible fish.
Yep. We are still on the hunt for the fat Pikachu, Rainbow Rare. We've got the other 4 times now.
Yes.
So we're gonna get into one and see if we get it, and then we'll get into the next.
Ooh, let's get into the cards. So the right side's going to be green, but the left side's going to be white. So 5 to the front, and then we pull.
There's the rare, Metagross, Swallow. Yeah, well, looking like we're gonna have to go to the second one. It's alright, we planned on this. I was hoping we didn't have to. Maybe it's all in this box and we could have saved it.
So we got a crocodile. Telescope sight.
Vaporeon. Who do we want? Jirachi. Nope. Jirachi. Nope, it's a Weedle. Oh, we just got a plain old Weedle.
Water energy. Earthquake energy. Mariana. Pinchurchin. Disco. Volco. Needle. Filbur. Clefairy. Sailor.
Rude.
Ooh, this one I don't think we have.
Yeah, we got this one.
Oh,
And we have both. All right, so there's our V. Little man, little. Drapion V. Pikachu, I choose you. Sure. Oh, dude, what? Come on. This is the 5th one. Where is the Rainbow Rare? Jesus. I mean, we'll take it. Absolutely, all day. You get enough of these, they'll add up to the other one. Man, look at that. Yeah, because this one had 5 hit packs. I'm pretty sure that now we're going to be seeing some basic stuff. But, I hope we're wrong. I did say Pikachu, didn't I? But I didn't say Rainbow Rare, did I? Mm-mm. Dang. Every time. Every time. Here comes the reverse. Deancey. It's the first time I've seen this one. Can we pull another Pikachu? I'd be okay with a full art trainer, maybe, but I really want that Pikachu. It's okay. I'm not talking about you in front of your face. To be done. Come on, Pikachu, Rainbow Rare. Ooh. What's up, guys? Back with the recap. We're missing Ethan. He was tired, baby. He had to go to bed. He couldn't make it through. We only opened 16 packs. Whatever's gonna happen when we open up a booster box. Solo, maybe. Well, we were on the hunt for Pikachu. We got what we came for the 5th time. this is not the one we want. We want the rainbow. But until then, the search continues. All right, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. I'm tired too. We gotta cut that out.